What happens when your application is finished and how do people get it? This is what we're explaining this time in this screencast. All you have to do is upload your application to the Firefox Marketplace, give it a right category, a description, some screenshots, and then you're off. The Firefox Marketplace is where end users find applications for their Firefox OS devices. This is also where our journey starts as developers if we want our application listed in the marketplace. The simplest way is to go to the Firefox OS Marketplace, scroll all the way down, and find the button that says Develop Applications. This one takes you to the developer part of the marketplace, where you find information how to design, build, and publish applications. As we've already done this, and all we want to do is submit our application, we just go to the Submit Your App to the Marketplace button and continue on our journey. On the submission page, you define which operating systems your application runs on, if it's only for Firefox or also for Firefox for desktop, mobile, and tablet, and if it's a hosted or packaged application. In our case, our application is a Firefox OS application and packaged. So what we need to do is package up all the files of our application into one zip file before we submit it. The Firefox Marketplace automatically finds the manifest file in the zip file, validates it, and tells us about all kinds of problems that could happen that you need to fix before your application can be listed. In our case, we've done everything right, so we might as well continue to the next step. Every app in the marketplace needs a description, a category, some screenshots, and an email where we can reach you in case something will go wrong. In our case, there's not much to do here. It's just a simple to-do app for all our shopping list needs. It's part of the productivity category, and the privacy policy is that no data gets stored whatsoever on a server, but everything is on your own device. Once we defined the support email and we uploaded a screenshot, we're ready to go. It's very important to put a good description and screenshots in, because that makes your application stand out against all the others that have been submitted, and it allows users to find your application with more than just the name of it. Once we submitted our information, we need to set a content rating for our application. This is important because applications might not be ready for minors or in certain markets. You simply say what part applies to your application and what doesn't, and the certification gets automatically generated for you. While you're doing this, you already see the marketplace is still open in another tab, and once you've finished defining all the settings of your certification, it automatically updates your submission. And that's all that was necessary to get our application listed in the marketplace. The Mozilla review team is now looking at your application, checking if there's any security problems or content issues, and will come back to you in a few days via email. And once everything is done, end users of Firefox OS can find your application in the marketplace, download it, and use it.